Welcome to a world of hidden healing secrets, where a humble cup of rosemary tea could hold the key to transforming your health. Have you ever wondered what rosemary tea really does inside your body? Can it truly boost your brain, stop hair loss, and even support your heart and digestion? Stick around, because what you're about to hear may surprise you. These aren't your everyday tea facts. They're science-backed truths most doctors won't tell you. Let's dive into the 11 powerful benefits of rosemary tea that could make this herb your new daily ritual. Quick note: this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't replace medical advice. Always check with a healthcare provider for personal guidance. 1. Boosts brain function. Rosemary tea is like a brain booster in a mug. The magic comes from compounds like rosmaric acid and ursolic acid, which help fight inflammation in the brain and protect your neurons from damage. A 2021 study in phytomedicine even showed that ursolic acid helps brain cells grow. And if you've ever smelled rosemary and felt more alert, that's real, thanks to 1,8-cineol, a compound proven in a 2012 study to enhance memory and concentration. Just a cup of rosemary tea a day may help keep your mind sharp and focused. 2. Helps with hair loss. Losing your hair. Rosemary tea might help. Its rosmaric and ursolic acids soothe inflammation on the scalp and promote circulation, two big factors in hair health. Studies even show these compounds strengthen hair follicles and slow down pattern baldness. According to Scientific African, 2022, rosemary's active elements work at the root level to support healthier hair growth, literally. 3. Supports low blood pressure. If you're always feeling dizzy or tired due to low blood pressure, rosemary tea might help gently lift your numbers. Its blend of rosmaric acid, caffeic acid, and ursolic acid has been linked to better circulation and cardiovascular support. A 2018 phytomedicine study showed that rosemary compounds help stabilize blood pressure naturally, no prescriptions required. 4. Protects eye health. Yes, your eyes can benefit too. Rosemary tea is rich in carnosic acid, which a 2012 study found protective against macular degeneration. Add in rosmaric acid and flavonoids like hesperidin, and you get a powerful blend that may reduce cataract risk and protect your vision, one cup at a time. 5. Supports opioid withdrawal. For those on a recovery journey, rosemary tea could provide gentle support. Research in Addict Health, 2013, shows that rosmaric and carnosic acids help reduce stress and protect the nervous system. These compounds may ease anxiety, promote better sleep, and lower inflammation, all important in managing withdrawal symptoms. 6. Aids stroke recovery, pulmonary edema stroke. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory powers shine again here. Rosmaric acid, shown in a 2019 ALIA immunopath study, may help reduce lung swelling. Meanwhile, carnosic acid and kochich acid provide antioxidant support, which is vital for healing after stroke. Just remember, rosemary tea is a complement, not a cure. Always follow your doctor's treatment plan. 7. Slows cancer cell growth. This is where rosemary tea really gets attention. Compounds like kochich acid have been studied for their ability to slow down cancer cell growth, especially in breast and prostate cancers. A 2022 Biomolecules article highlighted rosmaric acid's effects on leukemia and cervical cancer cells. Even salicylic acid, found in rosemary leaves, may help fight skin and colon cancers. It's not a substitute for treatment, but as part of a healthy lifestyle, rosemary tea could be a powerful ally. 8. Boosts weight loss. Looking to lose a few pounds naturally? Rosemary tea might give your metabolism a gentle nudge. In a 2011 British Journal of Nutrition study, carnosic acid helped reduce weight gain in animal models. Meanwhile, rosmaric acid helps fight inflammation tied to obesity. Combine this tea with healthy eating and movement, and you've got a simple weight loss helper in your hands. 9. Improves digestion. Say goodbye to bloating and discomfort. Rosemary tea has cineal and camphor, essential oils that help relax your digestive tract. According to a 2016 study in Journal of Ethnopharmacology, rosmaric acid calms the gut and reduces indigestion. Plus, rosemary encourages bile production, which helps your body digest fats better. International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition, 2015. 10. May help with erectile dysfunction. Struggling with erectile dysfunction? Rosemary tea might be worth considering. A 2019 Journal of Sexual Medicine study noted rosemary's antioxidants could combat oxidative stress, one of the underlying causes of ED. Better circulation, less inflammation, and improved stress response all play a role. Again, not a cure, but it might support overall vascular and reproductive health naturally. 11. Anti-inflammatory plus anti-aging power. Last but not least, rosemary tea is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. From your joints to your skin, the tea's rich antioxidants fight off cellular damage that leads to aging, chronic pain, and disease. Many people drink it not just for one benefit, but for its full body support. It's like sipping wellness in every cup. Who knew one fragrant herb could do so much? From your brain to your skin, rosemary tea may offer a natural path to better health. So next time you're reaching for your usual drink, maybe swap it out and try a cup of rosemary tea. Your body just might thank you for it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Comment below. Have you ever tried rosemary tea? What benefits have you noticed? Let's keep this health journey going, one healing sip at a time.